Alright, hopefully you can hear me over the generator. Gail is going to use the jaw saw to clean up this tree that fell on the cabin. And to show you how easy this thing is to use. Now Gail would be scared to death to use a chainsaw. But, and you can see she's using a cord she's already cut up once. And I had to splice back together. I need to get a new blade for it, a couple of them. So you can see how that works. And just chopped it right down. And we have plenty of firewood. That will go faster, but Gail doesn't want to push it. But we're going to cut all this up back to where I need to bucket up with a chainsaw. But Gail said she could chop it all up and I can pick it up. Hey. It just go long. It doesn't go in the dirt. It won't go in the dirt. Gail likes using this. Some of those are pretty tough. But like I said, I need to change that blade. That's all the chain. And you can order new chain from Worx, or you can sharpen what you have. Alright, give it a break. Let it cool down. Because it's pretty hot. But that's how simple that is. And she's going to put it all, for right now, on that skid in the outdoor shower, so that we have some dry wood when we come out here. But that's how quick and easy it is to take care of like storm damage. This part I will have to use a chainsaw on, but the JawSaw is good for like 5 inches, 6 inches. I've cut through with it. So that's Gail taking care of the firewood from the storm damage. I know. But that's my generator with the new wheel kit on it. Keeps it nice and level, and sure is maneuverable. But that was Gail's quick little demo of the Worx JawSaw. I recommend them because they're quick and easy. There's nothing to them. People that are afraid of chainsaws don't have to be afraid of that. But it does a fine job. I cut these limbs off with it. And I've got more to cut. So, hope you enjoyed this little demo. We're out.